I got a great story for you. I'm here in Summerville, South Carolina, about 20 miles west of Charleston. Now, this is where a local football star who goes on to play for Alabama has a career-ending injury. So what's he decide to do? Yep, come back to his hometown and open up exactly what they needed, a hot dog joint. This is Perfectly Frank's.
Frankie Elvis, French Toast Frankie.
I didn't know you could do so many things with a hot dog.
So what makes this place so good?
It's not only the food. Fieri was a star quarterback on the high school football team in the late 70s.
Order up.
That'd be Perry Cuda, who drew up a whole new playbook for dogs back in '07. What are we gonna make?
The Frank Cuda.
So this is named after your dad.
It is.
Okay, let's get into the chili.
Okay.
Whose recipe?
My recipe.
First thing in, 80-20?
Yep, ground beef, diced onion, granulated garlic, cumin, oregano. Yes, sir. Brown sugar,
Nice call.
paprika,
Chili powder.
chili powder, little yellow mustard, Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco, crushed tomatoes, and cinnamon. Red chili flake, and some agua.
How long are you gonna let this cook down so that meat just breaks up into little pieces?
Exactly.
Really nice and thin.
About 45 minutes to an hour.
What kind of dog are we gonna put it on?
A Nathan's dog. All beef, skinless, yeah, ready to go.
What are we into now?
We're gonna make the blue cheese coleslaw, shredded cabbage, shredded carrots.
No culinary classes for you, just experimenting on your friends and family.
Exactly. A little coleslaw dressing, mayonnaise, sugar, apple cider vinegar, celery seed, salt, black pepper, and crumbled blue cheese. And we just mix it up by hand.
What other body part would you mix it with?
Well,
Give me a high five. All right. Time to bring it together.
to the fryer,
We're gonna fry the dog?
fry it up. Chili we made earlier.
You like. Don't go skimpy on the chili.
Cheese sauce, all right, fried, afterwards smoked bacon.
It's not just bacon, it's fried bacon.
Right. Some of our blue cheese slaw, crispy onions, and that's the Frank Cuda dog.
Do I have any?
No, not at all.
I like the dog. I mean, you got to start off with a really good dog right off the bat. The chili's great.
Thank you.
Chili worked perfect. The crunchy onions, of course, fantastic. The slaw's nice and cool. Man, that's a righteous dog, dude.
Thank you.
Nice job, Brad.
Thank you.
Hey, Frank,